Let me see. Keys, phone, wallet. Good. Kelly, did you bring your backpack?
Yes, Mummy. I'm ready.
Good job. Today we're going to the subway station, then to the shopping mall.
Shopping mall? I love the mall.
Yes, sweetie. I want to buy you something special. Are you excited?
Yes, very excited. Mummy, there are so many people today.
Yes, everyone is busy. Some people go to work, some go to school.
The city is so busy.
That's right. City life is fast. Mommy is busy every day too.
But we're together today.
Yes, and that makes me very happy. Okay, Kelly, we need to buy tickets here.
What is a ticket, Mummy?
A ticket helps us ride the subway. Can you say ticket?
T. Ticket.
Perfect! You said it so well. One adult ticket and one child ticket, please.
Wow! The machine gave us tickets.
Yes. Now we can go inside. Hold my hand, okay?
Okay, Mummy. Mummy, there are so many people here.
Yes, the subway is very crowded. This is city life.
When will the subway come?
Look at that screen. It says next train, 2 minutes. Stay close to me and don't go near the edge. Here it comes, Kelly. The subway is coming.
It's so big and loud.
Yes, but it's safe. Let's get on. Be careful. Let's find a seat, Kelly.
Mummy, look! There's a seat.
Wait, there's a bag on that seat. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, my bag is there.
I see. Could you please move your bag? My daughter is tired.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mummy.
Kelly, look. That lady is standing. She looks tired.
She needs to sit down, Mummy.
You're right. Excuse me, would you like to sit here?
Oh, thank you so much. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Please, sit down.
I hope you feel better.
Thank you, little one. You're so sweet.
Good job, Kelly. It's important to help others.
I understand, Mummy.
Okay, this is our stop. Let's go.
Are we going to the mall now?
Yes, the mall is just over there. Can you see it?
Yes, I see it. Wow, the mall is so big.
Yes, it is. Today we're going to do something called window shopping.
Window shopping? What's that?
It means we look at things in the stores, but we don't buy everything. We just look.
So, we just look?
Exactly. Can you say window shopping?
Dow shop. Ping.
Very good. Now let's go inside.
Mummy, look! So many toys.
Yes, there are many beautiful things here. What do you like?
I like dolls. Can we look at the dolls?
Of course. Let's go see.
Mummy, That doll is so cute. I love it. That one. The one with the pink dress.
It's very pretty. Do you really want it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I'll buy it for you online. It will come to our house.
Online? What does that mean?
It means I order it on my phone. Then someone brings it to our home.
Really? That's so cool.
Yes. This is called online shopping. Can you say that?
On. Line shop. Ping.
Perfect. Now let me finish the order. All done. The doll will arrive in a few days.
Yay! Thank you, Mummy. I can't wait.
You're welcome, sweetie. Remember, you need to wait for the delivery.
I will wait. I'll check every day.
Okay. Let's walk around a little more. Then we'll go home. So, Kelly, how was today?
It was amazing. I saw so many things. And I got a doll.
I'm glad you had fun. We learned a lot today, didn't we?
Yes, we learned ticket, window shopping, and online shopping.
That's right. You're such a smart girl.
I love spending time with you, Mommy.
I love spending time with you too, sweetheart. What a wonderful day we had. Today, Kelly and I took the subway, practiced being polite, and went window shopping at the mall. We learned important words like ticket, which helps you ride the subway, crowded, which means there are many people, and window shopping, when you look at things but don't buy them. We also learned about online shopping, ordering things on your phone or computer. These are very useful phrases when you travel or go shopping in English. Kelly did a great job learning and being kind to others. I hope you learned something new today too. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us create more fun English lessons for families like yours. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you next time.